You can't teach an old dog new tricks. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom, our expression, our proverb for today is you cannot teach an old dog new tricks. Now, this is one of those expressions. It's actually considered one of the oldest English sayings, the oldest sayings in English. It appeared in 1523, actually in a book of husbandry, where it basically said, yeah, if you've got an old animal, an old pet, you can't really teach them new tricks. Then in 1534, John Fitzherbert's book of husbandry also featured this expression, this belief, this saying. And in 1546, John Haywood made it a part of his collection of old English sayings or proverbs, saying old dogs can't learn new tricks, meaning you can't make people change their established behaviors, beliefs, mindset, opinion, thinking traits, habits, routines, rituals. You can't make them. But I say that's absolute complete poppycock and nonsense. You can teach anyone to do anything. Anybody who wants to learn how to do or do anything is absolutely positively capable of doing that. Now, I can already hear people saying, oh, that's crazy. I know so-and-so and so-and-so and so-and-so and this person at work and this person in my family. They're never going to change. They can't learn how to do anything. They went through high school. At high school, they stopped. They peaked in high school, and they haven't learned a thing since. They're just repeating the same year over and over and over again. Are there people like that? Yes. Is that because we can't teach them something new, a different way? Absolutely not. It's because they have decided that they're going to stay fixed and stuck in the position that they're in because they're comfortable there. How many people have been told, you can't start a business, you can't do that, you can't quit your corporate job, you can't have your own business or employ people or do that? That's crazy, that's scary, that's their limitation on themselves. That's not what you're capable of doing or not doing. We can teach people how to do anything. We teach people all the time how to treat us. Some of those people are old. Some of those people are young. In our businesses and outside of our businesses, we share our expectations. We let them know how we expect to be treated. A lot by modeling how we treat other people is how we can expect to be treated in return. We show up consistently and through repetition. Anybody can learn anything if they desire to, if they choose to. Now, there's been a lot of people trying to convince other people of different opinions in the last year, in particular here in the United States. In the United States, we had a big presidential election, and there was a lot of infighting, a lot of it made up and instigated by certain political leaders and I hate to say the word political and leaders in the same sentence because there is so little leadership in our political arena these days. There's a lot of out for number oneness, a lot of dictatorial and power and fiefdoms that people are creating as politicians, but they're definitely not representing the people, at least not the people in America, in the way that the majority of us choose to be represented. But we can teach anybody how to do anything. The fact that I have gone from the offline world to the online world means that this old dog can learn new tricks, right? I can learn to understand and do things on the computer, do things on the internet, understand technology, understand social media. I really didn't do anything with social media before I popped online a couple of years ago. Pretty much I had a Facebook account, but I maybe went on there, very, very rarely, maybe a month, every month or something, but I didn't come online regularly. It wasn't until I left the offline world and came in the online world that I participated in that. And I had to learn a whole new set of skills. Was it a little more challenging than when I was younger? Probably, but I wanted to do it. So if we want to do something, we can absolutely positively make that happen. And the older we get doesn't really have anything to do with it. It just has our beliefs about ourselves and how fixed we are in our ways and our ideas and our thoughts about what is and isn't possible for us. So I'm curious, how are you using this in your organization? Do you have systems and processes and ways of training and bringing people into your culture, into your organization, both people that work with you to create what it is that you want in the world, as well as your customers? Are you training your customers how you want them to treat you, how you want them to see and view and interact with your business? If not, those are some areas that we can all improve on. Even during a pandemic, we can continually improve and make our business, our systems, our processes better for the people that we serve. And keep in mind that the problems that they had a year ago may be slightly different, if not dramatically different than they are right now. And so we want to keep that in mind as we're serving people and realizing that even our customers, as well as us, can learn new tricks. Have an awesome day. Share in the comments below your experience with this particular idiom or expression. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow without dog face. One might still have a dog face, but it won't be a Dalmatian puppy dog face mask. And we'll talk about another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it in your business and maybe even in your life today? Have an amazing day. Take care. Catch you tomorrow. Bye.